In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a shape in Canva. We'll use a simple, reliable workflow that turns your shape into an image so we can apply Canva's blur effect cleanly and with full control. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left sidebar, hover over the Elements tab to reveal the search field. Type Shape into the search so Canva shows the built-in options. Click the Shapes category to open the full gallery, then pick the shape you want to blur. Drag and drop it onto your canvas to place it exactly where you need it. If you want to match a brand or background, go ahead and change the shape's color using the color tile that appears in the editor when the shape is selected. This is the best time to get the color right, since we'll convert it to an image next. Now move to the top right and click Share. Choose Download to prepare a copy of your shape. In the File Type menu, make sure PNG is selected. PNG preserves crisp edges and solid colors, which is perfect for shapes. Confirm PNG, then click Download to save it to your computer. Back in the same design, go to the Uploads panel on the left. Click Upload Files and select the PNG you just saved. Once it appears in your uploads, drag and drop that image onto the canvas. You're now working with an image version of your shape, which lets us use Canva's blur tools. Select the uploaded image and click Edit in the toolbar. In the Tools section, click See All to reveal the full list of effects and adjustments. Choose Blur. From there, select Whole Image so the blur applies evenly across the entire shape. Use the Intensity slider to dial in the amount of blur you want. A subtle blur can soften harsh edges for a background accent, while a stronger blur can create a glow-like blob or a frosted effect behind text. Adjust slowly and preview as you go to keep the result clean and intentional. That's it, your shape is now blurred. If you need to fine-tune, you can always lower the blur slightly or change the shape's color first and repeat the quick download-upload cycle. This approach gives you consistent, professional-looking results using Canva's built-in tools without any complicated workarounds. Save your design when you're happy, and you're ready to use your blurred shape as a background element, a highlight behind icons, or a soft focus accent in any layout.